Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, S&P 500 E-mini futures. Here's a daily chart, and we saw a failure yesterday at the weekly pivot. We've seen about 4 failures at the weekly pivot in the last 24 hours, and that has put pressure on the market, and it's emboldened the bears to come in and push this thing down. What we're seeing at the same time is the Bollinger Bands here are compressing. You can see the Bollinger Bandwidth diving down below 4.4, and if we continue to engage the middle band each day, then you're going to see these bands continue to get tighter, and eventually we'll get a resolution. Whether that's upwards or downwards, we shall see. But what you don't want to do is anticipate the resolution of tight bands. And that is definitely something I will be talking about tomorrow after the close, 4:30, in this week's webinar. It's time to talk about band compression and expansion as we look around the corner to what might be next. For today, we need to watch the 25 area. It's tried to be support in the overnight. If that breaks, you're looking at 1919 and potentially below on the upside. You've got 32 area, then you've got 38, then you've got 1945. The mid-band comes in up at 53.75, and don't count the mid-band out. If we continue to magnetize and gravitate back up to the mid-band, that will only cause more compression, and the market seems to want to compress. So we had a little touch of the upper band that failed. If we come down and we touch the lower band, I would suspect that would be kind of another head fake, and we would migrate back to the mid-band. So we're definitely in compression mode. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website. Come check out the chat room. Join me tomorrow, 4:30, for the weekly webinar and question and answer session. Tons to talk about. I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.